Welcome to Carperformance.se. We're going to show you our latest Android Extension V6. Looks like this. Got built-in GPS antenna in it, HDMI output, USB input if you want to play movies, etc. Just plug this into your USB port. Your car must of course have factory CarPlay. So we'll plug this in. I'm going to show you here. So this is how it looks when you connect the USB to the car. You can go back, you can see here, full Android system. If you want to use internet apps like YouTube, Netflix, you of course need a Wi-Fi signal. We have of course already connected. You can see here we got a mobile hotspot here in the car. You can of course share your phone's hotspot. We are connected to a hotspot here. It got no limitation at all. You can download any apps that you want for Google Play Store. We're not signed in at the moment, what we can show you here is the pre-install. We got YouTube here. This is a V5 system. This will work while the car is in motion. Not that we recommend it, but it still will work. So here is one of the YouTube videos. Welcome to Carperformance.se. We're going to show you a high-end product. Our unlimited CarPlay is. So that is our V5. Now we updated to the V6. The system has 4 GB of RAM, 64 GB of storage. So it's a neat, nice system. Here you got Google Maps. So you can use exactly any apps that you want. Extremely easy to use. Settings, you got Wi-Fi of course that you need. Some language options. It got the common European languages. Of course the US also. Yeah. We got the Chrome, the Google Assistant, Netflix. So just use it like you're using your regular phone. Exactly the same functions. So it's a perfect combination to have in your car. We have this online, and as we said, this will work with all cars that has factory CarPlay from factory. So you must have factory CarPlay, otherwise it will not work at all. Thank you very much for watching, and visit and like our YouTube channel. Okay, thanks.